Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hemali here, and thank you so much for joining me today. Today's video is highly requested and it's all about finding the perfect nude lip for your skin tone. Now, as a brown girl, it took me ages to figure this out. Whenever I went to go do a nude lip, I always felt like it looked way too light and it washed me out, and I ended up looking like really sick and gross. Now, I totally know the struggle of finding the perfect nude lip for a brown skin tone because I used to have that struggle for years and years and years. I would always see these stunning white girls rock these beautiful nude lips, and I would always go buy the same lipsticks that they would wear, and it never looked the same on me as it did on them. It looked awful. It always made me look like sick, and it washed me out, and it was horrible. I specifically remember there was this one MAC lipstick called Peach Stock, and everyone was rocking it, and it was like the nude to have. And I went and bought it, and it looked so stupid on me. Like, I can't even begin to tell you how dumb it looked. So over the years, I've finally learned how to rock the perfect nude lip, and believe it or not, it has nothing to do with the lipstick you choose. This little makeup tip that I'm going to teach you is basically going to allow you to rock any nude lipstick that you want. The key to finding the perfect nude lipstick for you is all about finding the perfect lip liner for you. Yes, you heard that right. It's all about the lip liner, and then you can pretty much rock any nude lip you want. So I'm gonna give you guys an example. I've been rocking this one nude lip combo for a little bit now, and so many people have been asking me what lipstick color I'm wearing. So this is the color here. It is the Morphe lipstick in Flirt. You can see it's a super light nude, and I'll show you guys what it looks like on without any lip liner. You can see it completely washes me out. It makes me look sick. It makes me look like I don't even have lips and gives me no definition at all. Now I'm gonna pair it with my favorite lip liner. This is the NYX Cosmetics Slide On Glide On lip liner in the color Intimidate. I pair this lip liner with pretty much any nude or neutral color lipstick that I'm wearing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this. And I like to roughly fill in the middle of my lips with this lip liner as well. Doing this helps my lipstick last a little bit longer because in case your lipstick kind of starts to wear off, at least you have a layer of lip liner underneath to keep that color. And if your lipstick is too light, this also gives it a really nice base to mix in with to darken it up just slightly so that it ends up matching your skin a little bit better. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Morphe lipstick in Flirt again. And then you can just go ahead and blend out the edges with your lip liner just to give it more of an ombre effect. And also so that there's not such a harsh line between the dark lip liner and the light lipstick. And if you want a more of an ombre effect, or for your lips to look a little bit lighter, you can go ahead and apply that lipstick right into the center and dab it in. This will help give it an ombre effect, show off more of that lighter color, and also make your lips look slightly bigger. And this lip liner trick works with colors that are also similar in shade as the same lip liner, or even a little bit darker than the lip liner as well. Now, the way to find the perfect nude lip liner for you is to find a shade that is a little bit darker than your skin tone. You want it to pop against your lips, and a really good way to tell if that lip liner is dark enough is that if you overline your lips, you won't be able to tell too much where your natural lip ends and where the overlining starts. If the lip liner is too light or too close to your skin tone, you'll really be able to tell where your natural lip ends and where the overlining starts. So that's a really good way to gauge it, is that you want it to be dark enough that you can't really tell where your natural lip ends and the overlining starts. So these are some of my absolute favorite brown lip liners to get the perfect nude lip. And you can tell that I've used and abused them because they're all super tiny. This one here is the one I use the most. This one is the NYX Slide On Glide On lip liner in Intimidate. This one here was my go-to for the longest time, and I still kind of use it, but I just haven't refilled on it. And this is the MAC Cork lip liner. This one here is also from NYX. This is just their regular lip liner in the color brown. And then the last one is also from NYX, and this is their Slide On Glide On lip liner in the color Urban Cafe. Urban Cafe, which is this darker brown. I actually more so use this when I'm doing like red lipsticks or darker brown lips, but I think it's a perfect nude lip liner for girls that have more melanin in their skin and maybe have a little bit more of a red undertone to them. And then NYX Intimidate, which is what you saw me use in this tutorial, has been my go-to for like over a year now. I absolutely love it, and I really, really love this lip liner because I feel like it just glides on like butter. It's so easy to blend, and it lasts me all day, and it's very, very comfortable on the lips. I also feel like it's the perfect shade of brown for me. It gives me some really good definition. It gives some warmth to my lips as well. So even if I am playing with cooler lipstick colors, it brings that warmth back into my face. And it's also a color that I would just rock on its own. I've done it so many times where I've just thrown on lip liner and maybe a little bit of a gloss, and it looks perfect, and I've gotten so many compliments on it. So that is pretty much my formula for finding the perfect nude lipstick. And for those of you who have a ton of lipsticks that you thought you could never rock, pair it with a good lip liner and let me know how it goes, because I'm 100% sure you will still be able to rock those lipsticks and they won't go to waste. This is also cheaper for you as well, because you don't need to keep trying out a whole bunch of different lipsticks just to find the right shade for you. Pretty much any lipstick you buy now will match you. Anyways guys, I hope this little tip helped you out, and if you did try it, please let me know how it went in the comments below. And if you did like this video, please do not forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. And as always, thank you so much for watching and for all the love and support you guys constantly show me, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!